Most people think architects spend their day drawing boxes and arrows. That's not true. Great architects spend most of their time understanding problems before thinking about technology. Today, you'll learn exactly how architects think. A solution architect is the bridge between business and technology. Their job is to understand business needs and design systems that solve those needs efficiently, securely, and at scale. Architects don't start with technology, they start with problems. Every architecture exists because a business problem needs solving. For example, if checkout is slow, an architect asks, why? How many users are affected? Which systems are involved? What needs improvement? Architects are detectives. Before designing anything, they gather facts. They ask, who are the users? What problem exists? What causes it? How often does it happen? And crucially, what happens if we do nothing? Architects identify every user who interacts with the system. On an Amazon-like platform, that's customers, admins, sellers, and delivery teams. Each user has different needs, and the architect must account for all of them. Architects think in journeys, not screens. They map every step from login to final order confirmation. They focus on the pain points, slow search, failed payments, or delayed notifications that ruin the experience. Beginners often see one giant application, but architects think in systems. They break large problems into smaller, manageable systems like individual services for products, carts, and payments. Functional requirements describe what the system must do, like registering users, searching for products, or tracking orders. But non-functional requirements determine how it behaves, supporting 1 million users with 99.9% uptime and 2-second response times. Architects don't choose technology first. They don't say, I want to use Kubernetes before knowing the problem. They select technology based on needs. For orders, they might choose SQL for consistency. For products, no SQL for massive scale. Great architects assume things will fail. What if the database crashes? What if an entire cloud region goes down? They spend significant time identifying and reducing risks like security breaches or high infrastructure costs before development begins. A solution that works for 100 users may fail for 1 million. Architects must think ahead about scale. They estimate usage, like 20,000 concurrent users, before designing, because architectural decisions begin here. They constantly ask how to improve performance using tools like caching, CDNs, and load balancing. Architects think about security first. Who can access the data? How are users authenticated? How are passwords protected? They design trust relationships, like using Entra ID to issue tokens that pass through an API gateway to the application. Architects balance technical excellence with business cost. Is it affordable? Can we reduce infrastructure? Is there a managed service? They constantly evaluate whether to build a custom solution or buy a managed cloud service to save time and money. Architecture is more than diagrams. It's requirements, security designs, and cost estimates that guide the whole team. They validate designs with the team before implementation, ensuring everything is reliable and maintainable. Developers focus on code. Architects focus on systems. They think about users, business goals, and reliability before writing a single line. In the next video, we'll convert requirements into a real architecture diagram step by step.